Well, hello there, class. Today we're going to have a real quick lesson on improper fractions. And mixed numbers. You may have seen some of this in 4th grade. Okay, so first, let's define an improper fraction. Okay, an improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, (3 over 2) is an improper fraction. My numerator, 3, is greater than the denominator, 2. Okay? So now, mixed numbers. What is a mixed number? Okay, a mixed number is a number that has a whole number part and a fraction part. An example here would be 1 and 1/2. You know, my favorite Italian meal is lasagna. I could probably eat 1.5 pans of lasagna. That would be a mixed number, 1.5 pans of lasagna. Okay. Now, sometimes we need to change our improper fractions into mixed numbers. So we need to know how to do that. Okay, so let's say that I want to change 3 over 2 into a mixed number. Well, here's how you do it. You divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, and I think some of you may remember me telling you that this line here could be, you could say, divided by 3 divided by 2. So we're just going to do some old-fashioned division here. 2 into 3. 2 will go 1 time into 3. There's my whole number part right there. 2. Then I need to subtract 1. Okay, now this 1 is going to become a numerator, and the divisor is the denominator. I want you to remember that, DD, divisor, denominator. Okay, the divisor becomes the denominator. So 3 over 2 as a mixed number equals 1 and 1/2. Okay? Let's try another one. Let's try 11 over 6. Okay? So, I'm going to follow my rule. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay? 6 goes into 11 one time. 11 minus 6 is 5. This is going to be my numerator. And then d divisor denominator. So it's 1 and 5/6. Okay? Now, we can also go backwards. Okay? Let's say that we want to turn 1 1/2 into an improper fraction. Okay? Well, in order to turn this into an improper fraction, we're going to multiply the denominator by the whole number and add the numerator. So it'll look like this. Two times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, so it's 3 over 2. If I want to turn 1 and 5/6 into an improper fraction, it's going to be 1 times 6, which is 6, plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 over 6. Okay? So let me give you 3 improper fractions to change into mixed numbers for homework. Let's do 7 over 5, 8 over 4, and 9 over 6. Okay? So remember, turn these into mixed numbers, okay, by dividing the numerator by the denominator. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay? Alrighty. See you tomorrow.